We got the new beast right here. We controlling this through the iPhone. Yeah. It's my new invention. Well, at least prototype of my invention. I'm attaching the car rear camera right here. And we're running Wi-Fi service off of this thing. So we're just flying it, parking it on buildings, and getting away with high power Wi-Fi free internet. So we connected it it's the beauty of the cloud service from Apple, and we're taking full advantage of it. And I just put it together, and I haven't even taken flight with it yet. But what's cool about this thing is, well, I put a GPS system on this thing so it can tell me exactly its location when I'm flying it, and alternative routes to places I need to go. So it all started by needing a high-powered machine to just be able just to sit places. And we came up with this. We fly this on the building, let it sit there and park. This thing right here is the antenna. I'm about to make these into solar panels so it charges when it's just sitting. And I'm gonna take that motor out, make a more powerized motor right here. So yeah, I'm excited to really do more things with this little invention I have. So here's a brief little description of it. You get it from me first, Howard Tumblin. And you're gonna see more of this. So when you said I was bullshitting in my inbox, well, I'm gonna show you what I was up to real soon. And now you can really understand my true intentions.